We conducted Vision in 2026 Dakma Dedas VCI Single Medium program very successfully as a mega event. We have been organizing Visioning program now for 20 years and this is the 21st consecutive year. What is visioning? Visioning is making a plan for your future, a clear plan, and then making sure that you can achieve that plan and what you need to do on a daily basis to achieve that plan. When I was a lawyer, I moved into psychology and started this personality training field in Sri Lanka with a big mission. I saw thousands of people who want to be rich, who want to develop themselves, develop their personality from one level to next level. But many try to do it without a plan, without a strategy. And sometimes only some motivation from somewhere, when you see somebody doing something better, okay, I want to do the same, and you get motivated and you start doing without a plan. Those who have a plan, they go 10, 15 steps faster than a person who doesn't have a plan. Visioning program I created to make people stop to think